Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming service availability at your exact address. Call or use an ISP tool and note options. Once you have that, create accounts and gather hardware, modem, router, a working Ethernet cable, and place the router centrally. Make sure to pick the fastest feasible plan, fiber when available, otherwise cable. Plug modem to wall, then router to modem, and connect one device via Ethernet to test. This begins the connection process and verifies basic throughput immediately. Once done with the physical setup, you tune the router for performance. Switch to the 5 GHz band for maximum speed and reserve 4 GHz for long-range devices. Make sure to update router firmware now and enable WPA3 or WPA2 security with a strong password so others don't leech bandwidth. Then adjust channel settings to avoid local interference, point antennae optimally, and enable Co-S to prioritize critical devices. These steps squeeze real speed from your link. You finish by validating performance with repeated speed tests at peak and off-peak hours and compare results to the plan's advertised megabits per second. If numbers lag, restart modem and router, then test with a direct Ethernet cable to isolate Wi-Fi problems. If wired speeds are fine but wireless lags, tweak placement or replace old gear. If wired speeds also fall short, gather your test logs and call the ISP. Request a line test or technician visit to resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.